Hello, I love biology. I heard that you need a tutor for an upcoming ecology test.
Oh? Well, thanks for coming. Sorry. I am not interested in ecology at all.
Well, I hope to change that, and show you that there are so many things to learn in ecology. First thing is first. You need to know what ecology is. It's a scientific study of interactions among organisms and between organisms and their environment. In other words, how things interact like everything around us.
That's it. I thought it was some really complex thing.
Well, I am glad you got it. Now that you know what ecology is, let's start with the producer. Those are organisms that can capture energy from sunlight or chemicals and use it to produce food from inorganic compounds. Things like plants, trees, and even the grass you are standing on. Then there are consumers like me and you. They are organisms that rely on other organisms for energy and food supply. I have to eat things to live. I am a bunny. And when things die, the decomposers clean it up, or break it down and obtain energy from the dead things.
Okay, so you are a bunny who is a consumer and you eat grass, which is a producer, and then, when things die, decomposers decompose it. Isn't that a food chain?
Exactly. And yes, the definition of a food chain is a series of steps in an ecosystem in which organisms transfer energy by eating and being eaten.
Cool, I got it right. And many food chains make a food web.
Great. A food web is a network of complex interactions formed by the feeding relationships among the various organisms in an ecosystem.
Is that it? I can pass this test now.
I love your spirit. But no. There are a few more things left. First, you need to know what a habitat is.
Oh man. So what is a habitat?
It is the area where an organism lives, including the biotic and abiotic factors that affect it. So kind of like its home.
What are these tick, and tick factors?
Biotic factors are biological influence on organisms within an ecosystem. And abiotic factors are physical or non-living factors that shape an ecosystem.
And they are present together in a community, right?
Exactly. A community is an assemblage of different populations that live together in defined area. Oh, and I almost forgot to tell you that there is a rule in ecology called competitive exclusion principle that states that no two species can occupy the same exact niche in the same habitat at the same time.
What is a niche?
It's a full range of physical and biological conditions in which an organism lives in a way which the organism uses those conditions.
Cool. Am I done now?
Only one more thing left. The relationships between these organisms. There are three. Mutualism, which is a symbiotic relationship in which both species benefit from the relationship. Commensalism, in which one member of the association benefits and the other is neither helped nor harmed. And lastly, parasitism, in which one organism lives in or on another organism or the host, and consequently harms it.
Done yet?
Almost. Last and easiest is the biosphere.
I know this one. It's part of Earth in which life exists, including land, water, air or atmosphere.
Very good. Now you are done. I know you will do excellent on your ecology test.
Thank you so much. Can you tutor me for my next test too?
This presentation was made possible by Sanjani Pradachuru and Ecology Jane from Mrs. Martin's second period class. Thank you for watching.